In the world of visual storytelling, precision and flexibility define the outcome. amzn.to steps in as an adaptive creative ally. Built around a fully open magnetized aluminum cube, it delivers a new era of customization. This 12-inch cube features a robust magnetic frame that enables secure, tool-free attachment of accessories, lighting, cameras, and modifiers. Designed with creators in mind, amzn.to brings unmatched accessibility and control. The Sinwant bamboo sofa tray offers a sleek and functional design that enhances any living space. Crafted from durable bamboo, this foldable tray attaches easily to the armrest of most sofas, providing an ideal spot for snacks, drinks, and remotes. The 360-degree phone holder is a standout feature, ensuring your phone stays within reach while you relax. It fits seamlessly on any couch or chair, providing a stable surface for food, drinks, or even your tablet or book. The M1 caliber measuring tool for miter saws streamlines the process of cutting, offering a precise and efficient solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This innovative tool eliminates the need for measuring and marking materials before cutting, saving valuable time on the job. By providing accurate measurements, it allows users to make quick adjustments without compromising safety. Rokid Max AR glasses bring the future into your hands, offering an immersive, cutting-edge experience for both work and play. These lightweight glasses feature an impressive 50-degree field of view, providing a massive 215-inch screen that mimics the experience of watching a display 6 meters away. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, it guarantees smooth, vibrant visuals, making gaming and media consumption extraordinary. The Miracam web camera is a sleek and efficient camera designed to enhance your digital setup without unnecessary complications. Compact yet powerful, it offers full HD 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, providing clear and crisp visuals with a flexible refresh rate of 50 Hz, which can be adjusted to 60 Hz if needed. This makes it suitable for video calls, streaming, or recording, ensuring you always look your best. Precision meets versatility with this compact CNC machine tailored for ambitious creators. Designed with a generous 12.6 by 8.7-inch workspace, it allows users to handle big projects without compromising on space. Whether engraving hardwood, cutting soft metals, or shaping acrylic, this tool delivers with consistency and control. Built for portability, its frame folds neatly, optimizing your workspace whether you're crafting in a garage or setting up at a maker event. The Orvibo MixPad D1 Smart dimmer switch revolutionizes how you manage lighting in your home, combining modern technology with seamless integration. This wall-mounted dimmer is crafted from durable plastic, offering a sleek design that fits in any modern interior. With compatibility for Alexa and Google Assistant, it ensures convenient voice control over your lighting, allowing dimming from 0% to 100%. When your kitchen demands power, precision, and efficiency, the Ninja Professional Plus food processor steps in with authority. Built with a robust 1,000 peak watt motor, it tackles dense veggies and stubborn dough with ease, delivering smooth, consistent textures across every use. The 9-cup bowl gives you ample space to prep large meals or multiple portions in one go, perfect for families or weekly batch cooking. Time doesn't pause, but some moments are worth holding still. The Memory Box Retro e-ink calendar doesn't just tell you the date, it brings the past to life, one story at a time. On your desk, it quietly reveals the significance of each day through crisp, low-energy e-ink display, echoing the elegance of vintage calendars but infused with the power of modern tech. At 6.3 inches wide and 4.2 inches tall, it fits neatly beside your laptop, clock, or morning coffee. The tough-built gel-fit knee pads set the standard for comfort, durability, and performance in demanding work environments. The adjustable elastic and EVA straps, along with a secure buckle system, keep the knee pad in place, offering a snug fit without cutting off circulation. Crafted with abrasion-resistant 1680D fabric and a rugged double-injected shell, these knee pads provide protection and durability. The Saro Z70 is an advanced robotic vacuum designed to elevate cleaning technology with precision and versatility. At just 3.14 inches in height, this ultra-slim device can easily navigate tight spaces, ensuring a deep clean where traditional vacuums struggle. Featuring the StarSight Autonomous System 2.0, it intelligently maps your home, optimizing its cleaning route for maximum efficiency. The Z70 incorporates a dual anti-tangle system to prevent hair and debris from obstructing its performance, allowing for smooth and uninterrupted cleaning. The iCoxer fidget spinner offers an innovative approach to decision-making, blending fun with functionality. Designed to engage users in both casual play and important choices, this spinner stands out as a tool that brings clarity to your day. With its sleek, durable build, it is made for lasting performance, making it an ideal companion for any situation. The spinner's smooth motion provides a satisfying tactile experience, helping you to unwind or focus when needed. In the heart of nature, where mist blankets the canopy and water drips steadily from leaf to root, life thrives without intervention. Inspired by this rhythm, this self-watering tile replicates the ecosystem of a rainforest, letting plants flourish with minimal upkeep. Designed to bring the wild precision of nature into your living space, it offers a seamless way to nurture growth from the ground up, just like in the jungle. Each tile is embedded with a capillary system that mimics how rainforest foliage channels moisture. The Apex Maker X1 industrial high-speed 16-inch 8K LCD 3D printer is designed for professionals who demand precision and efficiency in their 3D printing projects. With a massive 16-inch 8K LCD display, this printer offers incredible clarity and detail, making it ideal for creating large, high-resolution models. The high-speed printing capabilities of 180 mm per hour ensure fast production times, even for large projects, without compromising on quality. The Lum Pyramid Solar Bank is an all-in-one outdoor power solution designed for those who rely on performance and versatility. Combining a 24-watt solar panel, 99.9 watt-hour power bank, and a 600-lumen camping light, this compact yet powerful device meets the needs of campers, hikers, and off-grid explorers. The 60 built-in LEDs offer 4 lighting modes, ensuring up to 56 hours of illumination when needed. Rugged streets and icy mountain trails finally converge into one platform. Meet the Board Drop, a hybrid training tool and immersive motion controller crafted from real recycled snowboards and skateboards. Designed to blur the lines between gaming and sport, Board Drop responds to every twist, turn, and lean using advanced motion tracking. Whether you're grinding out a digital halfpipe or enhancing real-world balance and core strength, it delivers a dynamic, full-body workout wrapped in LED-powered flair. A refined centerpiece with surprising versatility, this multifunctional coffee table isn't just furniture, it's an experience in everyday convenience. Designed to serve more than one purpose, it transforms effortlessly from a classic table into a smart work or dining surface. Thanks to its smooth lift-top design, you get a flexible platform that adapts to your rhythm, whether you're powering through work emails or enjoying takeout on the couch. Measuring in at an ideal living room scale, it combines elegance with efficiency. When ordinary projections fall flat, this innovative 3D projector transforms your space into something alive. Designed for everyday settings, it pushes beyond the boundaries of traditional displays with immersive, glasses-free 3D. It's not just a projector, it's a portal. Featuring over 50 dynamic 3D themes, it shifts effortlessly between forest serenity, ocean depth, galactic vistas, and vibrant festivals. Whether you're setting the tone for a gathering, winding down for sleep, or diving into a meditative moment, it adapts to your mood and surroundings. Transform your fitness routine with the Muscle Rail Board, a compact and efficient solution for home workouts. This all-in-one gym setup is designed to provide a comprehensive training experience in a space-saving package. The Muscle Rail Board combines the functionality of multiple fitness tools into one sleek device, allowing you to perform a variety of exercises without the need for bulky equipment. Its sturdy frame and adjustable design accommodate a wide range of exercises, from strength training to flexibility routines. The Cooper Cooler Rapid Beverage and Wine Bottle Chiller is the ultimate solution for quickly chilling beverages in your home bar or dorm. Its automatic touchpad offers a seamless user experience, making it easy to use with just the press of a button. This chiller is designed to cool your drinks in minutes, thanks to its innovative ice and water system that efficiently lowers the temperature of bottles and cans. Whether you need to chill sodas, beer, or wine, the Cooper Cooler ensures your beverages are ready to enjoy without the wait. Sleek surfaces deserve better than smudges. Jiffy's step up as precision cleaners, small but powerful pads designed to banish fingerprints, oily streaks, and smears from the places you touch most. Whether it's a stainless steel fridge, a foggy bathroom mirror, your smartphone screen, or glasses, Jiffy's handle the job without scratching or leaving residue. Forget preheating and oil-splattered stovetops. The Philips Air Fryer XXL streamlines family meals with precision and speed. Designed for efficiency, its 7-quart capacity easily handles a whole chicken or 2 bags of fries, perfect for feeding the entire family in one go. It uses rapid air technology to circulate hot air, creating crispy exteriors and tender interiors without relying on excess oil. Integrated fat removal technology captures and separates fat from food during cooking, making each bite lighter without sacrificing flavor. Colo GCS revolutionizes your sound experience with the world's first 7.1.2 channel speakers, designed specifically for PCs. This cutting-edge system integrates 11 distinct speakers into a sleek all-in-one design, offering a rich and immersive audio experience that brings games and movies to life. With true overhead channels, it delivers unparalleled 3D sound that surrounds you from every direction, making you feel as if you're in the center of the action. Compact yet powerful, this 3-in-1 tool is engineered for precision and efficiency on any job site or home project. Whether you're aligning shelves, installing trim, or framing walls, it combines essential tools into one rugged design that fits in your pocket. The Cube integrates a digital angle finder, level, and laser distance meter, simplifying complex measurements with absolute accuracy. With a precision rating of plus or minus 0.2 degrees, this device delivers exact readings for every measurement. The Vesta Candle Warmer lamp is designed to infuse your living space with the perfect balance of fragrance and elegance. With its sleek, modern appearance, it provides an effortless way to enjoy your favorite scents without the need for an open flame. This candle warmer utilizes gentle heat to melt the wax evenly, releasing a rich, aromatic atmosphere that enhances any room. Precision meets purpose in a blade that adapts as swiftly as you do. This isn't just an everyday carry knife, it's a modular tool engineered for those who demand control, durability, and design. Built to evolve with your needs, it combines elite materials with effortless customization. Whether you prefer the sleek feel of titanium, the textured grip of G10, the refined finish of carbon fiber, or the distinct beauty of Damascus steel, the handle transforms in seconds without tools. In your hand lies more than just a tool. It's a studio, a tripod, a stabilizer, and a grip. Multipod transforms the way you capture moments, whether you're hiking rugged trails or shooting in your backyard. Built to be ultra-compact at just 5.5 inches when folded, it easily fits in your pocket or small pouch, yet extends smoothly to over 10 inches for perfect reach and angle. With a single twist, switch between handheld grip, tripod, and selfie stick, no need to carry extra gear. Swipit redefines on-the-go power with its groundbreaking instant power system. In a world where constant connectivity is a necessity, Swipit ensures your devices are never without charge. The Swipit Link features a robust 3,500 mAh battery that keeps your phone alive, while the Swipit Hub allows for effortless swaps, offering a fully charged replacement in a matter of seconds. Whether you're traveling, at work, or simply living life in the fast lane, it guarantees you'll never be left powerless. Built for demanding power users and travelers alike, this powerhouse redefines what portable charging can achieve. Ugreen's advanced 145-watt power bank supports PD 3.1 and QC 3.0, delivering high-speed charging across 3 ports. The USB-C 1 port alone pumps out up to 140 watts, enough to bring a 16-inch MacBook Pro from 0 to 56% in only 30 minutes, keeping productivity unhindered even during brief layovers or work sessions. The Craft Geek Max Plus Selfie Stick Tripod Stand is a game-changer for content creators who value versatility and portability. With its new Max Pro Plus design, it integrates 2 cold shoe mounts, making it ideal for those who need to attach both lights and microphones while shooting. This allows you to enhance the quality of your photos and videos, whether you're indoors or outdoors. The tripod extends from 11 inches to 60 inches, offering flexible height adjustments to suit different angles, making it easy to capture shots from any perspective. The DJI Mic 2 redefines wireless audio with cutting-edge features tailored for creators seeking reliable, high-quality sound. Equipped with intelligent noise cancellation, this microphone ensures crystal-clear recordings even in the most challenging environments. The advanced 32-bit float internal recording allows for flawless sound capture, providing flexibility in post-production with minimal risk of clipping. Its impressive 820-foot range ensures versatility, offering plenty of freedom for both indoor and outdoor shoots. When precision, power, and portability intersect, the Fantic W10 Apex Turbo Light Mini Chainsaw emerges as a clear contender in compact cutting tools. Its energy backbone, a 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery, delivers performance on demand. Fast charging via Type-C. The battery reaches 80% capacity in just 30 minutes and offers enough power to slice through up to 135 cuts of 2-inch pine, covering roughly 430 square feet of yard work in a single session. When you're chasing the perfect frame, adaptability matters. Snappy is the modular mobile gimbal that gives your smartphone the agility of a pro-level camera rig. Whether you're walking, panning, or pivoting through complex angles, Snappy keeps your shot fluid, stable, and strikingly cinematic. It's engineered to move with you, not against you. Switch from landscape to portrait in one smooth motion using Snappy's intuitive one-touch button.